pretty. Ha? Gigi. Evie. Evie. Evie.
Oh, his name is Evie.
And you? What is your name? Huh?
What's
Huh?
your name?
What is your name?
Damien daw.
Damian?
Damien.
Damian. Damian.
Damien.
Damien. Hi, Damien.
Sabi niya, I saw her. Sabi nakita yan. Sabi niya, I saw her in Ocean Park. Paano mo nakita yan?
Nakita siguro. Friends sila siguro.
Nakita niya daw.
You saw him in the Ocean Park?
Nakita niya to, alaga ko siya.
Oh?
Sabi ko, paano ko alam yan? Sabi niya, I saw her in Ocean Park.
Wow, Gigi, maybe he had a crush on you. Gigi, maybe he had a crush on you. Hoy. Damian. Ano pangalan niya? Damian? Damian. D-A-M-I. D-A-M-I-A-N. Damian nga.
Sa atin Damian, sa kanila Damien.
Isa lang eh.
Tawag ko nga yan dati, Damian. Yung amo ko.
Tinawanan yung pag-pronounce.
Oo, tapos tinawag niya, sinadya ng tawagin yung pangalan ni si Damien. Damien! Nahiya tuloy ako. Basic na yan. Hello, Elsa.
Hi, Elsa. Elsa. Kaninong alaga yun?
Sino?
Yun.
Si Damien? Alala ko yun.
Yan.
Gusto niya ka nito. Alaga na yung nakaklase namin. Alaga niya. Pretending for what?
You're just pretending, Elsa?
Can you wear the modest dress?
Nagsilos siya. La. Damien get jealous. Damien get jealous. Maybe they are meant to be. You're a destiny. Damien and Elsa.
Saan kayo dito?
Diyan lang.
Malapit na kayo?
Malakad lang.
Mid-level po kami.
Ay, mid-level kayo? Diyan lang kami sa likod.
Ano naman kayo papunta?
Itsy bitsy spider run up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Gigi, where's your bag? Bag. Your backpack. Where? No, you will go now. Mang-in na, kumasungsong. Wala nang tao. Bye na.